welcome to Fun Time. Today we're gonna have fun with
fluid art.
Fluid art. Yes, that's right, fluid art. And I got it. And in this kit there is a canvas, an apron, and 4 different colors. There's blue, green, white, and I think this one's black or purple. I don't know. Let's open it. Cutting with the scissors. I'll hold it, cut it. Cut it. Where it says to cut it from there, okay? Oh, it says, see, there's a line from when you have to cut. Okay.
What's inside?
Yeah, let's see what's inside. Whoa! There's one canvas. Oh, what is this? Math?
Put it straight.
Actually, what is that? I don't know what is that.
Yes.
Oh, it's oh no, it's tissue paper. What is it? It's an apron.
I think it's an apron. Let's see.
So do I. And I think it's an apron too. It is an apron.
You want to wear it?
I never wear an apron, but I have to wear it this time.
How do you wear it?
I know. First you put your... oops, I hit it. First you wear this. Put your hands
But
to
isn't
it.
it little off?
And take it a little tie. Just make a tie.
But isn't it little off?
That's how you do it.
Okay, sit then.
Okay. I can't sit. I can't. Okay, there we go. I managed.
Okay.
Okay, let's open the colors. So now we have our workstation covered with plastic. Make sure to spray on it, some water on it first so it can stick really well. And we have some newspapers under it. So now we're gonna do the technique. So what we need for this technique is a blow dryer. Okay, now it's not time to turn it on right now.
So let's open it.
Yeah, let's see. Wait, first we have to open the canvas up too.
Yes, we have to, but let's first see if your colors are all fine.
Are we gonna put
Okay.
them all there?
So now it's time for you to
Open the canvas?
open the canvas and play with colors.
Yeah, let's play. You know that. And if you're saying play with colors,
Just be very careful that you do not want to.
Is it glue?
It is not. You do not want to spill anything anywhere. So now it's your turn. You can do whatever you want to, but quickly.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, I'll try. Okay, I'll do this row. How to do it?
Just press it.
Can I do it
You
right
have
here?
to do it quickly. Yes. Press
Maybe I
it.
can
Press it. Hold it like this. Yes. Do.
It's a pretty design.
Yes. Do it. Very good.
I'm just gonna make a line.
Do it from the other color. It seems like more. Do it from the other color. You can do anything. Anything you can do.
Let's add some more other colors.
Yes, do it.
Okay.
Just make sure you don't spill.
It's gonna be really beautiful. And whatever you do, don't spill, but you can just do some scratches or something. Don't do. But just don't spill. It's enough.
Let's do some white now. I think it will look very good. Hold it. Hold it like this. Hold it like a
Can
pen.
I?
Hold it like a pen.
Wait, you mean like how?
Yes, hold it like a pen. And
Yes.
then
Can I?
do it.
Can I?
Yes.
It's
Do it.
like a river.
Do it. Now let's do some hair.
Okay, you do it. I'm gonna dry the green. Is this green? No, I'm gonna
Yes.
just.
This is
This
the
is
green
green. I want to do it.
Can.
That's...
Now let's do some.
Wait a second. I'm not done yet.
Wait. Let's wait.
Ooh, I'm just gonna add some more green a lot. Let me just make it better. Wow! It's not flowing. It is. Careful. The table's getting messy. It's gonna get messy.
You do it.
See? Help too. Careful. Don't help too. Oh, you make it drip on the table.
It's okay. How
Yeah.
does that make any difference?
Yes.
Done.
Yeah, we're just gonna clean it up. We can clean it up. Just take the plastic away and throw it away. Ha 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 ha. But not the apron. Okay guys, so here it is. I'm just gonna lift up the plastic paper a little. Oh, I'm just gonna do this. Careful. It could drip down. So look. It's not very good, but I had fun making it. I'll try this again with new colors, and maybe I'll get better. Okay guys, this was it. Make sure you press the subscribe button. We'll come back with a new activity. Till then, bye. Plop plop.